Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are doing a opening for my March 2021 Vegancuts beauty subscription. I think I might have mentioned this in the last video, but I'm going to mention it here again. They have discontinued their makeup subscription, which was a quarterly subscription. So anything makeup related that you may have gotten, you'd probably get in the beauty one, since beauty kind of encompasses everything anyway. So let's go ahead and get started seeing what's in this bag. So here is our card for this month. It says this box supports Carter and Friends at Ironwood Pig Sanctuary in Marana, Arizona. So cute little piggy. Looks like we have 4 products in this box. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll just reach for whatever is on top. This is the Marrakesh Calm Argan and Hemp Oil Therapy Smoothing Treatment. So I think this is supposed to be a hair product. It says it retails for $20.99. Creates slick, straight hair or supple curls and waves. This treatment features powerful smoothing and moisturizing ingredients like vegetable keratin, protein, and argan oil. Improve your hair's length and leave it feeling soft and manageable. Dispense 3 to 4 drops and apply evenly through clean towel dried hair. So to me it sounds like it's probably a leave-in conditioning type treatment that could possibly assist with your styling. So that sounds really nice. I actually just finished a leave-in product that you will see in my empties video later this month, or perhaps the beginning of April. So that is pretty cool and good timing. Thank you, universe. So I'm excited to try that. And I have to say, the bottle is glass, which is actually really nice. Next product, let's see. This is the Gypsy Soul Face Toner, and it says lavender flower on the front. So you guys probably know I'm not going to be thrilled with this. Lavender water, lavender flower, aloe vera leaf, witch hazel leaf, green tea seed, and willow bark. So this is a $30 product, which this seems a little pricey for what you're getting. And it is a face toner. Perfect for all skin types. Not true, because lavender is very, very highly fragranced, and if you have sensitive skin, this is going to irritate it. This lavender flower toner is infused with green tea, willow bark, aloe vera, and witch hazel. Witch hazel can irritate very sensitive skin as well. To refine pores, reduce oil, and calm redness. Fast absorbing, your skin will be left feeling soft and nourished. Apply after cleansing, shake, and then mist your face and neck as desired. Use daily. So I'm not going to use this. I'll either use it as like a room spray or give it to a friend. I might just give it to a friend to get it out of the house. So yeah, that's a disappointment. The next product we have is from Spring, and this is the Cleanse It Out Gel Cleanser with camellia and lotus. So this is a $7.50 value. Wash and nourish skin in one step with this purifying cleanser filled with camellia, lotus, peony, lavender, tea tree, water lily, which are packed with antioxidants to heal damage from the environmental stressors and leave your skin fully hydrated. Gently massage into damp skin, rinse with warm water. Use daily, morning and evening, suitable for all skin types. So once again, a heavily fragrant packed product, but since it is a cleanser, it's only on your skin for a few minutes. I don't feel as uncomfortable using it, so I probably will keep this and use it. I will say though, all these things saying suitable for all skin types, if you have very sensitive skin, I would avoid something like this with all of these fragrant ingredients that they list out like they're the second coming, because that will irritate your skin. But if you have normal skin, this will probably be fine, because it's only going to be on your skin a few minutes and then you're going to wash it off. I will say though, with all these fragrant items, especially the tea tree, I am apt to think that this may irritate the eyes, but I will let you know after this makes it into an empties video. The last product in here is from Acure, and I think they actually sell their products at Target, which is nice. So if you like this, you don't have to hunt to find it. And this is the Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. Now, I do generally enjoy Blue Tansy. It is one of those things that can be good for the skin and specifically redness, but if you have very sensitive skin, it can be irritating. But the thing that makes me nervous about this, and I'm about to read the ingredients so we'll find out, is Blue Tansy is often found with jasmine oil. And now if it's a jasmine extract, okay, it's probably fine. But if it's just like straight jasmine oil, that could be problematic. So I'm gonna read the ingredients, but let me read you the description first. It says this is a $5.99 value. This night oil is a concentrated blend rich in nourishing botanicals that deeply hydrate and soothe your skin. The key ingredient, Blue Tansy, is an anti-inflammatory, calms and repairs damaged skin. Apply roller to your face to dispense a thin layer of product, then gently massage and distribute evenly. Use nightly as needed. So that description actually brings up another issue I think I have with this, and that is that it's a roller, which feels a little unsanitary to me because you're rolling it over your skin and that ball is then going back under after touching your skin, which is cleansed, but you know, nothing's perfectly clean all the time, and then going back into the product. So that is kind of a little for me. I'm sure that it's meant to be sanitary or else they wouldn't make it, but it does feel like there's the risk for some cross-contamination there. So if we look at the ingredients, it's got sweet almond oil. I actually don't know the research on that to know if it's fragrant enough to irritate the skin, so that's something I'll have to look up. There are some other things that could be fragrant, like rosemary, but it's an extract, so it's fine. Let's see, rose flower oil. That's concerning because it's not an extract. And then, let's see, yarrow oil. I don't know what that one is. And then jasmine, which is an extract, but there is a chamomilla flower oil, so I guess that's chamomile oil. So this, to me, I'm probably not going to use just because there are a couple flower oils in here that are not extract form, so that concerns me that this is going to be super fragrant. Actually, let's open it up and actually, I'm saying actually a lot, and look at the form factor just so we can see that. Yeah, that rollerball I don't love. Not super interested in that. Yeah, I feel like this could have been a really cool product, but then the packaging and those fragrant flower oils kind of throw me off. So this is a 50-50 box, really, or subscription. It's not really in a box. These two, very fragrant, not super interested in them. These two, well, one's going on your hair, so I'm not really worried about the fragrance. And the other one, even though it's got fragrant components, is a wash, so it will be on your face for a few seconds. So, not the greatest box, and that's 2 months in a row of them not sending the, no wait, was last month good? No, I don't think I cared for last month's box. You know, it really wasn't that long ago, and I'm not that old. I should be able to remember, but I can't. Anyway, I don't know. If next month's isn't good either, I might take a break. We'll see. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys care if there's fragrance and all that kind of stuff in your skincare? For me, I'm already spending so much money on really good high quality skincare products. I just don't see the point in chancing it with something that is fragrant and potentially causing some sort of irritation on top of my everyday skin woes, if that makes sense. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below, like I just stated. Why am I telling you twice? And if you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit that subscribe button. I will link to Vegancuts. I will link to everything I am wearing. If I can, I've got my cool Gothic t-shirt on. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye!